Mechanical keyboard. The NZXT Function Mechanical Keyboard family combines a durable aluminum top plate with smooth, linear RGB switches, making it the perfect companion for PC gaming. Ultimate customization. Change to any MX-compatible switch thanks to hot-swappable sockets at every keyswitch position. Simple and sleek. Durable aluminum top plate with a low-profile design. Made for modularity. Standard bottom row keyboard design enables users to install any standard aftermarket keycaps. Removable USB-C cable is ready for customization. Cam-powered. Cam makes it easy to customize per key RGB, macro control, and lighting effects with 4 onboard profiles. The NZXT Function Keyboard is aesthetically sleek, hot-swappable, and available in 3 versatile sizes to suit any space and use case. For those who desire a full-size keyboard without a large footprint, the NZXT Function Full Keyboard packs 104 keys into the sleekest form possible. Top reviews from the United States. Overall great keyboard. I really like the keyboard. The only trouble is the software. The delay for the macro keypresses can only be adjusted between 20 and 1000 milliseconds. And the keyboard forgets the brightness you set in the software. These all can be fixed later if they update the app.